My name is Matt Evers. I run a YouTube channel about alternative builds. I own and operate an excavation company.
I'm Goldie and I'm from Colorado, and I moved here to learn about natural building, and now I teach a bunch of workshops about natural building.
Goldie and I built an Earthship that's actually behind the camera right now. Goldie, all by herself, built this little structure, which is a hybrid Earthship and straw bale with a lime wash in the exterior, rocket mass stove in the inside, earthen finishes, beautiful.
We're here in Crestone at our Earthship. As soon as I learned about Earthships, I knew that I wanted to live off-grid and build my own house and do it in a way that could be in harmony with the planet and the nature around me. So that was something that I aspired to, and thankfully was able to do that.
We're super involved with the Crestone Energy Fairs, which is a local event that we have that shows natural building and alternative energy sources.
Between heating your house and cooling your food, power is life out here.
Plan for this property is we live here, obviously, and we want our friends to come stay. We'll eventually build a little bathhouse. Alternative builds is kind of what we aim for, experimental, keep it natural as we can.
Something I'm super excited about is that having the F3800 be so compact, it just fits in that space really well. It's on wheels, it's like mobile, I can move it around. It's just like super fits the space and is really functional.
It seems like a plug-and-play situation. There's like no doubt in my mind that the F3800 will run our AC Grundfos pump. It sits at about 80 feet below. I mean, you can weld off these systems. I weld off our system with just a small MIG welder already, and this is a better system than that. And it's more compact.
Definitely having something quiet like the F3800, it changes the whole experience of something like an energy fair where we have a lot of power needs and we don't want to be running huge generators because it changes, you know, the sound level, even the vibration of the space. People are used to coming here and having peace and quiet.
We are off-grid, which the goal is not to pay any electricity bills. We'll use that system to power this little casita. Goldie calls it her mini Earthship.
Once we landed in Crestone and realized there's a super awesome community here, we definitely had the vision for our land to be kind of like a communal place where people from all over, you know, our friends from all over the country and world could come visit us.
One of the great things about the F3800 is that all of the connections you make to this device, you don't need to be an electrician, you don't even need tools, everything is plug and play. So this will be your first time setting it up, and I'll show you how easy it is. We'll be done in just a couple minutes.
Awesome.
So the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is plug in our solar panels to the unit itself. And so Goldie, just go ahead and take those connectors, connect that into there, and push until you hear it click. Those look good. And do that with the other one. And just connect those to the inputs there. Awesome, so now the solar array is connected to our F3800. The next connections that we're going to make are connecting our expansion batteries to each other and then to the F3800. Connect this top one to the one below it. Congratulations, you just installed your first solar system.
Thank you.
So if we look down here and push the display button and you see that input, we're making 1,254 watts right now. So that's great, and you'll see this recharge in 1.4 hours, you will be fully charged.
Wow.